In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a Trello workspace, step by step. If you have an old workspace you no longer use or you're cleaning up your Trello account, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process safely so you don't delete the wrong one by mistake. Make sure you watch until the end because there's an important confirmation step that prevents accidental deletion. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on the home page where you can see your boards and workspaces. Now, at the top of the screen, locate the Workspace drop-down menu. This is usually displayed near the upper left area of the dashboard and shows the name of your current workspace. Click on that workspace drop-down to reveal the list of available options connected to that workspace. From the drop-down menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will take you into the Workspace Settings area, where you can manage members, visibility, billing, and other administrative options. Once you're inside the Workspace Settings page, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete this workspace. This option is typically located toward the bottom of the settings page, since Trello wants to make sure you don't accidentally remove an active workspace. Click on Delete this workspace, and Trello will open a confirmation section. At this point, Trello requires you to type the exact name of the workspace to confirm the deletion. This is an important safety step designed to prevent accidental removal. Carefully type in the full name of your workspace exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, extra spaces, or missing characters. If the name doesn't match perfectly, Trello will not allow you to proceed. After entering the correct workspace name, the Delete Workspace button will become clickable. Double-check that you are deleting the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or clients. When you're absolutely sure, click on Delete Workspace. And that's it. Your Trello workspace will now be permanently deleted. Keep in mind that deleting a workspace removes all boards and data inside it, and this action cannot be undone, so always make sure you've backed up anything important before completing these steps. That's how to delete a Trello workspace quickly and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.